Hello everyone, my name is Guzar Pallavi Shivaji. My seminar topic is Applications of Affinity Chromatography and Ion Exchange Chromatography. First, the applications of affinity chromatography. Major application of affinity chromatography is separation and purification of specific product from mixture. The products may include biomolecules like proteins, nucleic acids and enzymes are separated by this method. Second application is industrial application. Affinity chromatography is widely used in pharmaceutical industry to purify and extract molecules of interest from complex mixture. Used to check the quality of proteins, enzymes and other molecules. And used in the production department of vaccine for maintaining quality of product. In pharmaceutical industry, there is a production department where the vaccines are produced or prepared, and the quality control department check that vaccines quality and maintain that quality. Therapeutic and clinical application. Hyperlipidemia. Hyperlipidemia means increase the lipid or fat level in the blood. The sample is made to pass through column containing the antibody and plasma LDL, so it can be easily separated out by eluting chloride buffer. In this process, the sample is allowed to pass into the column which containing the antibody and plasma LDL. So the molecule of interest are attached with the antibodies and the plasma LDL. So these molecule of interest are removed then with the or eluted then with the chloride buffer. Then next is this chromatography is used in the allergy test. It is used in qualitative measurement of substrate. Next, in immunoassay. Immunoassay is a process for detecting or measuring a specific proteins or the other substances through their properties as the antigen or antibodies. In this process, the affinity chromatography is used. Next is in vaccine. As we already seen, the affinity chromatography is used in pharmaceutical industries for maintaining the quality of the vaccine. Used in genetic engineering. Nucleic acid purification is done by affinity chromatography. For purification of the RNA and DNA, affinity chromatography is used. Used in the identification of genes and for gene therapies. Next is for research work or basic metabolic research. Research work require high purity, which is achieved by affinity chromatography. For achieving the proper result or a correct result, the requirement of the sample or any substance used in the research should be at the high purity. So for that purpose, the affinity chromatography is used. Protein or enzyme purification from cell-free environment. For the purification of the proteins and enzymes in the laboratory or the industrial level, it is done by the affinity chromatography. Next is some other applications. Reduce amount of substrate in a mixture. If we want to remove the amount of any substance from the mixture, then the affinity chromatography is best. Investigation of binding sites of biological molecules. Example are like the investigation of the binding sites of enzymes. In enzyme assay. Enzyme assay is a separation method used to measuring the enzymatic activity of the enzymes. In vitro antigen antibody reaction, the affinity chromatography is used. Applications of the ion exchange chromatography. Firstly, what is ion exchange chromatography? In ion exchange chromatography, the column containing a ion exchangers, and when we pass the molecules that have the charges, these molecules are separate based on their affinity towards the charges on the ion exchangers. So we see what is the application of ion exchange chromatography. First, analysis and separation of amino acids. An important use of an ion exchange chromatography is in the routine analysis of amino acids. 20 principal amino acids from blood serum or from the hydrolysis of protein are separated and used in the clinical diagnosis. So, for the separation of the amino acids or the routine analysis of amino acids, this method is important and is also used in the clinical diagnosis. Next is softening of water or demineralization of water. Anion exchanger are used to measure the concentration of anions like sulfate, nitrate, chlorides. Cation exchanger used to measure the concentration of cations like sodium, calcium and magnesium. Magnesium and calcium ions in the hard water can be removed from water using ion exchanger chromatography. Here we know the magnesium and calciums are the cations, so they can be easily removed by the cation exchangers, and for removing the cations we use the cation exchangers. Food and beverage industry. In non-alcoholic beverages such as fruit juices and soft drinks, ion exchange chromatography has a major role in pH control by deacidification. In food and the beverage industry, for maintaining or controlling the pH of the fruit juices and the soft drinks, the ion exchange chromatography is used. Next is immunoglobulins, used for the purification of immunoglobulins. This is also the another use of ion exchange chromatography. So these are all the uses of the ion exchange chromatography, and firstly we have already discussed the uses of the affinity chromatography. So thank you for watching video.